Alright, so this video is to document the progress that we have made so far on the truck. I'm at the shop at RCS Grading where I work. And after about 2 months on jack stands, coming in and working while I've been in school, I have finally gotten the front done on the truck, at least for the new Total Chaos upper control arms, lower control arms, the King shocks, coilovers up front, welding on the gussets to the spindles and on the cam taps, so the front end of this truck is bulletproof. I've also put on new brakes. They are stop techs and they are massive. It's a big brake kit up front, new discs, new rotors, and new calipers. So this thing can stop on a dime in no time. Let me show you around what we've got done. Right here, you can see the external reservoir on those King shocks going into here. Some serious stuff. This is a greased application and these amazing uniball joints. Looking down in here, you can see those beautiful gusseted spindles. Those things are super beefy, going down into the lower control arms. Now we have that front wheel full lock. You can see those super beefy front spindles that have been gusseted. I also have those powder coated. See those humongo brake calipers, brake discs, I mean, big rotors. Those Total Chaos lowers they're just huge. They're so beefy. This thing is legit. And I'll get underneath and I'll give you some a little bit better, but look at that angle. That's awesome. Full clearance too on that. I'm running wheel spacers to get the offset I need for these wheels. I'm running under the truck. Woo. Spent a lot of time under here. So yeah, this is just enormous all down here. It's super rock solid. Yeah. Welcome to the mustache channel. We'll get around on the passenger side and see those brakes. Right, that's all the old stuff that came off of the bottom and the suspension, so I'll probably try and sell that. But right here, you can see those stop. You can see the stop tech calipers with the braided lines. They're humongous. They are gonna stop this truck on a dime, and it's gonna be absolutely phenomenal. Yeah, everything on this truck is super overbuilt. You can see here, you can see the mounting bolt and the future home for a secondary King shock. I cannot afford one right now because I've spent my whole life savings on the truck. I'm also going to put some sumo springs on the front. I wasn't planning on really hucking this truck too hard, and honestly I want something that I'm never going to have to do maintenance on, and the sumo springs are perfect for that. I need to touch up my paint right here. That'll be fine. You can also see where I did the body mount chop right here. So this is gonna let me run 33s, true 33s on this truck with no issues. Those beautiful mounts for the King external reservoirs. That is just super exciting. They look amazing. The fabrication on these brackets is phenomenal. I'm just gonna pan down a little bit, but you can just see that is grade A fabrication on those brackets. They look great. I still hold that front control arm, so I have a little bit extra control off the road. And if you look right here, you can see where we welded on the gussets for the cam taps. So it's not the prettiest thing in the whole world, but this truck is going to be absolutely bulletproof, and I'm so excited to put it to the test and give it some loving abuse. All right, so that is the current update on the 2018 TRD Pro Blue Tacoma. We're gonna see how far I can get done. It is currently Wednesday. I'm hoping to leave in next Friday, T-minus 7 days, and till leave time. So, well, T-minus 10 days till leave time, T-minus 9, I'm not sure. Hoping to get out of here a week from Friday. It's Wednesday now. Just worked with the aluminum extrusion guy. Got the quote back, and he said the lead time was about a month from now. I need the stuff by Monday, so I'm gonna be calling companies around like a madman, trying to get an order placed and get things handled. So I'm super pumped about that. Hopefully it's gonna be coming in soon. And I'm gonna pretend like I'm a really big business guy and hopefully let them get that order to me as fast as possible for an emergency project. So we're gonna see how that goes. But yeah, that's the update. These are the Suma springs going on the back. Tomorrow we're tackling the rear and everything else, getting that Go Fast camper on the bed. So that when we set this pinion angle on it, we will get hopefully a more approximate angle, because these springs are massive. They're beefy cakes, and they need to sufficiently be way down so we can get the right pinion angle on that drive shaft. So sorry I wasn't looking at the camera, I was looking at myself talking. But yeah, this is the vlog. The progress is coming along. So yeah.